नव्या वर्साच्या रातीक स्मार्ट सिटीच्या बेजबाबदार कामाक लागून अपघातांत एका तरणाट्याक मरण आयिल्ल्या घडणुके उपरांत खंय तरी प्रशासनाक जाग येतली अशी आशा आशिल्ली, मात अपघात जावन 5 दीस जाले तरी स्मार्ट सिटीचो कारभार आसा त्याच परिस्थितीत चालू आसा। पणजेचो महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामाची पळोवणी केल्या उपरांत ताच्या लेगीत निदर्शनाक हेच चित्र दिश्टी पडले। निष्काळजीपणान कामात चालू दवरिल्ल्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टदाराचेर कारवाय करपाची शिटकावणी महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान दिल्या।
That is one aspect. More importantly, that is a safety issue. Now look at this for example. Even though they barricaded, anybody who hits this edge, they will still get cut and they will still get injured. Now basics like this also have to be taken care of. You cannot just throw your arms up and be like, we put barricades and leave it at that. Now we are doing safety inspections to make sure that all of this is done. Their reinstatement work also is horrible. Now we have to make sure that everything is done in a proper thing. The death of a person, a young person, is horrible. Now all of us are parents also. If anything like that happened to my child, I'd bury the contract in this hole only. So wherever there are violations, now I've told my engineers to write reports, send it all to CM's office, to PC's office, and everybody responsible also. I've told the smart city people to start finding these contractors, and we'll be happy to make sure. CCP also, now I have told the commissioner also, whatever is in the scope of our thing, if we can file police complaints also, we will do that against the contractors. Enough is enough now.
निष्काळजीपणान चलिल्ल्या स्मार्ट सिटीच्या कामा दरम्यान अपघाती धोको उपरासचो न्हय ह्या खातीर 2 दिसां भितून कॉन्ट्रॅक्टदारांक जतनायपूर्वक कामां करपाची ताकीद दिल्ल्याचे महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरातान सांगले।
Any deadline you are giving the? No, that deadline is set already. No, by March. No, for safety, 2 days, Baba, 2 days. 2 days. That is it. Yeah. Nothing past that. Let them correct. Like see, small, like these edges and all also have to be corrected. Now, just to put a barricade doesn't mean their work is done. Now they are saying they take out the reflectors in the day. Now people have to know that they're doing their jobs also. Even their fluorescent thing. One small little X. So I've asked them if they can't afford tape. So all of these things have to be done also now. No? So we'll make sure within 2 days we'll get everything done.
Even the incident where it happened, there was no street light. It wasn't working, so even you'll look out.
With every department, whoever is at fault now will figure out. See, we had written the moment it happened. Also, we wrote to the Smart City MD, asking him to give us a safety audit within the next 15 days. Also, we are waiting for that.
वर्षा आश्वेकरा सहित ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV।